In this video, we're going to just do the opposite of what you did in the last problems. That is, we're going to take, and we're going to be given an algebraic expression. We're going to write it as a verbal statement, just backwards. When I look at the first problem, remember equals is, and the addition to an addition problem is a sum. So I'd say 6 is the sum of -5 and a number. That's pretty much what we have to do for the second one. So on the next problem, we've got a couple steps here, don't we? So we're going to look at 7 and y. That's the product of 7 and y, the answer to a multiplication problem. We're going to take 2 away from that, and we're going to get 19. So I'm going to say 2 less